Toshiba presents their new air conditioner model. New design with glossy material, smooth, curved and adjustable white LED are designed to reflect luxurious appearance and to complement modern exterior beautifully. The unit runs in PAM mode to achieve the desired temperature in a short amount of time, before switching to the PWM mode to save energy up to 50% and minimize any temperature fluctuations. The power selection feature provides the capability to optimize and to control power consumption with 3 levels. The lower the percentage, the higher the energy saving. %, bigger fan with special incline design blade ensures greater airflow but lowers the operation sound. Smaller diameter copper tubes increase numbers of tubes by 25%, thereby enlarging 30% of heat exchanger surface area, bringing faster cooling as desired. Wide-angle and 11-step louvers allow you to adjust airflow direction individually and precisely to your position. Guarantee the optimum and even airflow distribution throughout the room. Pre-filter combined with IAQ filter are used to effectively inhibit unpleasant odor and airborne microscopic particles to ensure you always breathe fresh and clean air. Double-coated layers coils trap impurities or microscopic particles by taking dirt from the evaporator fins away. This technology assures your room air climate is always fresh, healthy, clean and odorless. Magic Coil is perfectly combined with Toshiba's exclusive technology, improves heating and cooling performance efficiency. We are committed to provide the best quality air. Toshiba, a brand you can trust. Make us part of your family. Toshiba, leading innovation.